Pati ikaw, Kurt, hindi sa basta.
You're all set. Have fun, guys.
With the Jungle Explorer. Natural surroundings.
How many here? One, you're gonna go by far side.
Hey, dude, you look mad dry right now. That's crazy. How'd you do that? How'd you do that? That's crazy. And that looks like it's everybody, so please remain seated with your hands off your feet, legs inside the boat, and be sure to supervise your children. With all of that, we are just about to be and we're out of here. Don't think of your favorite hand and wave goodbye to each other. Yeah, we're not making it too far. Folks, if you want to continue to wave, you can wave to all of my fans. Now, you see, I'm not talking about the non-existent people over there. I'm talking about the ceiling fans. Welcome to the world-famous Jungle Cruise. Nice to meet you guys, but it's better to meet me. My name is Skipper Thor. That's first name Skipper, last name Thor, and we will be together for the next 12 magical months. I'm joking. Most of my cruises sink after 10 minutes. Now, first off here, we have entered the Amazon rainforest. And here the Amazon is actually known as a mist forest. So if you blink, you might miss it. Yeah, I'm afraid that you guys missed that joke. Kind of hard to miss because it's all around us right now. That's okay though, we'll keep on going. Another here on our left is going to be Inspiration Falls. Legend has it, if you listen carefully, you can hear it inspiring you to go. Get it? It's a joke. Because they're so funny. The pinnacle of comedy. Now they won't say it no longer. That's my number one joke. You don't want to hear my number two one. It's actually quite gross. Hi, my friends. We have now entered the Congo River. Let's see how far we can go. Straight ahead is going to be our first and only food location here on the world-famous Jungle Cruise. It's our road face and our shop. Now, I invited all of my skipper friends to go to a real quick meal with us before we depart further. But I don't see anybody. Canoe? No, it's really satisfying. To be honest with you guys. Fact, did you want the end? It's disbelief. That's okay. Now I'm sure you'll get it next time. Folks, over here we have two elephants. Now, fun fact about elephants, they actually have the best memory in the entire jungle. Now, me personally, I have a memory like that. I think it really helps with my job. Give me break. Hey, folks, look, it's an African bull elephant. Now, fun fact about elephants, they actually have the best memory in the entire jungle. Now, me personally, I have a memory like that. I think it really helps with my job. I think it'd be great. I have now entered the African belt where the hand of man has never stepped foot. Here we have a wide variety of animals that spans from there all the way down to there. And would you look at that? It's a sleeping zebra. Actually, guys, I think he's dead. Tired. I know that guy. We go way back. I don't know this one. Look out. Look out. Look out there. It's some dry humor. It's really hard to find, especially today, because, you know, we're just outdoors for like 2 minutes. Anyway, coming up over here on our left is going to be our mandatory gift shop. Not if you happen to lose anything on this jungle journey, we might have an exact copy at this location for a premium price. Also, if you have any interest in any of the hats that you see up here, feel free to stop by any of the skippers on Dawn. We are all proficient at capsizing. Whatever many skills. Folks, we should look at that. It's an elephant. Fun fact about elephants. They can grow up to 4 feet as opposed to humans who can only grow 2. It's really quite interesting. Now, this doesn't remind me that we're getting ready for the most dangerous part of the entire jungle journey, the civilization. So as a reminder, please maintain with any sort of speed length inside the boat if you need to supervise your children. Now, we laugh together. No, it was mainly me. We cried together. That one was entirely me. We very nearly died together, making us like a family. But I think we can all agree that Tim and Timbo and the romantic kingdom is way too long for a family. So, with all of that being said, it is time for you all to please. We're driving the boat right now. Before we get past the way find out. I'm backing up. Everybody relax. Sir, calm down back there. Get out. Please get out, guys.
Right this way, guys. Watch your hat.
What was that? I mean, I think it's really nice to have this